welcome to your weekly science video. Today we are going to do an experiment. We are going to play with science. But first, our expected learning, which is analyze properties of heat. Most of it is convection. If you are ready, let's go and see what it's all about. First of all, we need to know what is convection. Convection is the process of heat transferred by the bulk movement of molecules within fluids such as gases and liquids. The initial heat transfer between the object and the fluid takes place through conduction, but the bulk heat transfer happens due to the motion of the fluid. Did you understand a little bit? Okay, convection is movement. This movement is caused by heat. When heat transfer to other things, they move. And when they get cold, they stop moving. This makes everything moves in an eternal loop. Okay, let's continue. So let's do an experiment. Let's get hands to work. What do we need? First of all, we are going to need 2 aluminum cans. They must be empty. No matter what, Coke, juice, mineral water, even beer. But 2 aluminum cans. A water container. Fill it with cold water. The icier, the better. You can place any ice cubes in it. And a pair of tongs. Have them on hand. We are going to need them. And always remember to always have adult supervision, because we are going to experiment with heat. So we need an adult supervision. Ask to your parents, big brothers, big sisters, maybe a parent familiar or someone who is near. Okay. Procedure. What we are going to do. Number 1, take an empty can and add 2 or 3 water spoons. Remember, you can pause this video as many times as you need it. Take an empty can and add 2 or 3 water spoons. 2. Place it carefully at the stove to be heat. This step, it could be you or it could be an adult, the responsible of do that. 3. Take it away with the tongs after 2 minutes or before, in case water boils. When water starts to boil, you can take it away from heat. And number 4, place it carefully upside down inside the container and plunge it into cold water. Remember, you must have an adult. This is a dangerous experiment. Well, it's not so dangerous, but we are experimenting with heat. And if you did happen something like this. I'm not going to show you the picture. First, I'm going to give you time to do it. Go and do it. And when you finish, you can come. Remember, pause the video and then you come to see. Okay, now that you did the experiment, it must happen something like this. Wow, that's interesting. It happened something like that to you? Let's continue. Wow. After your experiment, answer the next questions. What happened? Can you explain? And talk to other classmates or people at your house. Remember, all of this is linked to your science book, so you can find this on your science guide. Science is fun sometimes. So, I will see you